Hi, I'm Mark. I have an oven in my car and little to no experience in baking. Join me as I bake in my car. Welcome back for another episode of Baked in My Car. Today we're camped on War in My Country and we're making lamb gyros. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. Here's a list you can screenshot for later. Whilst we do have the oven, we're going to be cooking over charcoal, so the first thing we're going to do is get the coals ready. After that, we're going to put them in the barbecue and we're going to whack the lamb on. Now we're going to prepare the pita. Measure out 1 cup of flour into a bowl. This will make 4 pieces of pita bread. After you're done with that, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now add in 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt. While it's in the bowl, mix it together using a spoon. Once it's combined, put some flour on the bench. Full disclosure, this will get a little bit messy. Now knead the dough into a ball. If it starts getting sticky, add more flour. Now divide it into 4 equal pieces. Now use a rolling pin to roll it out. I didn't have a rolling pin, so I used this beer bottle. Once it's flat, fry it in a hot pan. After a while, flip it over so that each side is browned. Now we're going to chuck some chips in the air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, you could cook them using oil or even put them in the Travel Buddy oven. Now check on the lamb.
Oh, yeah.
Cut the lamb into bite-sized pieces. Now spread tzatziki on your pita bread. Now it's time to add the fillings. Along with our lamb, we also have tomatoes and cucumber. I didn't get any footage of cutting these up, but you should know what to do. Now the last thing to do is to add your chips and admire your creation. We were pretty hungry, so we didn't get too many photos of the finished product after this, but I can tell you, it was very tasty. And there you have it, lamb gyros, all baked in your car. Thank you for watching Baked in My Car. Make sure to like and subscribe and to follow us on Instagram @BakedInMyCar.